So the first thing we're going to look at is the spiral staircase. Now, if you don't know anything about the key is sort of presented in metaphor, and those metaphors are fairy tales. So we look at the very complex profiling system through this idea of very fun fairy tales, which were a lot of fun to write, I have to say. I giggled a lot. The idea is the fairy tale starts with a princess and a little blue bird. The princess is in her garden, tra-la-la-ing and having a wonderful time, and she's skipping and dancing, and there's trees and a lovely gazebo, and everything's lovely, the sun is shining, and it's all wonderful, and how lovely it is. And the little blue bird comes along, and this little blue bird is a little bit grumpy and basically says to the princess, "You're a bit of a raving nana. You're not very proficient in the sanity department." And as the little bird is talking to the princess, suddenly the clouds come and the sun begins to disappear and the garden fades away. And the message of this story is the world is what we believe it to be. If it's going to be a sunny garden for you with lovely trees and flowers, and you can tra-la-la your life and celebrate your life in a wonderful way, that's what you'll do. But very often, people will come along and tell you that actually, your life is not that way, and your life is this, and this. And if you listen to those people and you take on board what they say, your life will become this, and this. So the princess ends up transforming her world from this wonderful walled garden, which is a place of sanctuary, into a tower. And the tower is a place of scariness and yuck and horror. And in the tower is the spiral staircase. And as we can see, the steps of the spiral staircase go down from shame and depression at the bottom up to enlightenment on oneness. So as you climb the spiral staircase in the tower, you actually change your perspective up to these more conducive and wonderful things at the top there. And we can use the spiral staircase in a really therapeutic way, not only for ourselves, but for our clients as well. Because what you can see here is that actually a lot of the things, so we start here at the bottom of the staircase, a lot of these things are lumped into one. And the idea is that when we're going through life and we're climbing or descending the spiral staircase, we can only go a stair or two at a time. We can't make huge jumps. So if you're down here at despair and hopelessness, and you are literally despairing and you can't see any hope in the world, when someone comes along and says, "You need to do something, do the washing up, clean your house, have a wash, have a shower, do this, you've got to do something, get up, be strong, get over it, do something." If you're down here, you can't jump up there.